Ever wonder why some cars look like they just rolled off the showroom floor while yours looks tired and weathered, even after a wash? It's because professional dealers have a secret black book of shortcuts they use to charge you $500 for a job that costs them $5. Today I'm opening that book. I'm going to show you how to use a can of soda, a bathroom staple, and even a common grocery item to make your car look brand new again without spending a dime at a detail shop. Trick number 15, Vaseline for instant headlight restoration. Foggy, yellowed headlights aren't just an eyesore, they are a massive safety hazard that cuts your night visibility by up to 70%. When you go to a shop, they'll quote you over $100 for a restoration or tell you the lenses are shot. Don't believe it. Most of that haze is just surface oxidation from UV rays. Grab a tub of petroleum jelly plain Vaseline. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth and work it into the lens using firm, heavy pressure in circular motions. The oils in the Vaseline fill the microscopic pits and pores of the oxidized plastic, instantly smoothing the surface so light can pass through clearly. Buff it dry and you'll see the yellow disappear. Best of all, that layer of jelly acts as a temporary barrier against moisture and air, slowing down the return of that nasty yellow crust. You just saved $97 in 3 minutes. Trick number 14, toothpaste to buff out car scuffs. We've all been there. You walk out to your car and see a white scuff mark from a shopping cart or another car door. Your heart sinks because you know a body shop will charge you a $200 minimum just to look at it. But if the scratch hasn't caught your fingernail, it's likely just on the surface of the clear coat. Grab a tube of standard white toothpaste, not the fancy blue gel but the gritty white stuff. Toothpaste is actually a mild liquid abrasive, very similar to the polishing compound pros use. Dab some on a damp cloth and scrub the scuff in tight, fast circles. You're essentially sanding the clear coat at a microscopic level to level out the scratch. Wipe it away and 90% of the time that scuff vanishes. It's the ultimate stealth repair tool. Trick number 13, shampoo for deep clean carpets. Your car's carpets take a beating, salt, mud, and spilled coffee. Vacuuming only removes the top layer of dirt, leaving the deep-set grime to rot the fibers and create that old car smell. Detailers want $150 for an interior deep clean, but why pay that when the solution is in your shower? Air shampoo is designed to break down organic oils and proteins, exactly what's in those mystery stains on your floor mat. Mix a tablespoon of shampoo with warm water in a spray bottle. Mist the area, agitate it with a stiff brush until it suds up, and watch the dirt lift to the surface. Blot it with a dry towel and you'll see the grime transfer right off the carpet. Plus, unlike harsh industrial cleaners, it won't leave your car smelling like a chemical factory. Trick number 12, white vinegar and newspaper for crystal clear glass. Have you ever cleaned your windshield only to have it look worse when the sun hits it? That's because most blue glass cleaners contain soaps and scents that leave a streaky film. Professional window tinters don't use that stuff, they use chemistry. Mix 50-50 white vinegar and distilled water. The acetic acid in the vinegar literally dissolves the oily off-gassing film that builds up on the inside of your glass from your plastic dashboard. Now here's the real pro move. Skip the paper towels and use old newspaper. The ink acts as a very fine polishing agent, and the dense paper won't leave behind a single speck of lint. It's the secret to invisible glass that makes your car feel brand new. Trick number 11, coconut oil for a spotless paint finish. If your paint looks dull and flat, it's because it's dehydrated and covered in micro-marring. Dealers will sell you a $200 ceramic coating, but if you want that deep, wet look shine for a weekend car show or a date, go to your kitchen and grab the coconut oil. After a wash, apply a very thin layer of coconut oil to a clean panel. It acts as a natural filler, seeping into the micro scratches and reflecting light perfectly. It gives the paint a depth that cheap waxes can't touch. And here's a bonus, it's incredible for restoring faded black plastic trim. Just remember, a little goes a long way. You want to shine, not a grease fire. Trick number 10, DIY formula for a full car clean. Stop buying 5 different bottles for wheels, tires, paint, and trim. The car care industry wants you to think every surface needs a specialized chemical, but that's just a marketing scam to drain your wallet. The golden ratio for an all-purpose car wash is 1 cup of grease-cutting dish soap, half a cup of white vinegar, and a bucket of warm water. The dish soap strips away the stubborn road film and grease, while the vinegar prevents water spots from forming as you dry. It's more effective than 90% of the fancy soaps sold at the auto parts store, and it costs pennies per wash. Trick number 9, baby wipes for a spotless car interior. You're stuck in traffic, you look down, and your dashboard is covered in dust and fingerprints. You don't need a professional detail kit in your trunk, you just need a pack of baby wipes in the glove box. Baby wipes are pH balanced and incredibly gentle, meaning they won't dry out your vinyl or leather like alcohol-based cleaners will. They have just enough moisture to trap dust instead of just pushing it around. Keep a pack in the center console for red light detailing. Keeping the dust from settling is the one way to prevent your interior from aging prematurely. Trick number 8, toothpaste for crystal clear side mirrors. Side mirrors are magnets for hard water spots. When water dries on them, it leaves behind mineral deposits that look like white crusty rings. Glass cleaner won't touch them. Take that white toothpaste again and give your mirrors a quick brush. The abrasives will shear off the mineral deposits without scratching the glass. Rinse it off and water will bead right off the mirror next time it rains. Clear mirrors aren't just about looks, they're about not hitting anything when you merge. Are you starting to see how much money is sitting in your bathroom cabinet? Trick number 7, clay bar for a showroom smooth finish. If you wash your car and the paint still feels like sandpaper when you run your hand over it, your car is clogged. That's industrial fallout and brake dust embedded into your paint. If you wax over that, you're just sealing in the damage. You don't need a pro to decontaminate your paint. Buy a cheap clay bar, use soapy water as a lubricant and glide it over the surface. You'll actually hear the grit being pulled out of the paint. Once the sound stops, your paint will be as smooth as a computer screen. This is the single biggest difference between a wash and a detail. Trick number 6, Coca-Cola to clean dirty tires. Have your tires turned that ugly, chalky brown color? That's called blooming, and most tire cleaners struggle to remove it. But Coca-Cola, it's a secret weapon. The phosphoric acid in Coke is a powerful degreaser that eats through brake dust and road grime. Pour it onto a sponge, scrub the sidewall, and let it sit for a minute. When you rinse it off, the brown oxidation goes down the drain with the soda. Your tires will look deep black and fresh, providing the perfect foundation for a tire shine. Trick number 5, shade washing for a scratch-free finish. This is the most common mistake I see. If you wash your car in the direct sun, you are destroying your paint. The metal gets hot, the water evaporates instantly, and the soap minerals bake into your clear coat, creating permanent water spots. The pros only wash in the shade or early in the morning. By keeping the panels cool, the soap can actually do its job of lubricating the dirt so it slides off without scratching. If you can't find shade, wash one panel at a time and dry it immediately. This simple change in timing will save you from needing a $500 paint correction later. Trick number 4, black shoe polish for faded exterior trim. Nothing makes a car look older than gray, ashy plastic trim. Most back-to-black products are just greasy oils that wash off the first time it rains. Instead, use black paste shoe polish. It's designed to dye and seal leather, and it works exactly the same on porous plastic. It sinks into the trim and adds a layer of wax that actually repels water. It stays black for months, not days. Just be careful not to get it on the paint. It's meant to stay where you put it. Trick number 3, WD-40 to restore wiper blades. Before you go spend $50 on new wipers because they're streaking, try this 10-cent fix. Most wipers fail because the rubber has gotten hard and covered in road oily residue. Spray some WD-40 on a paper towel and wipe the rubber edge of the blade. You'll see a thick layer of black gunk come off. The WD-40 cleans the rubber and restores its flexibility, allowing it to flip properly when it changes direction. It'll stop the squeaking and the streaking instantly. It's like a fountain of youth for your wipers. Trick number 2, baby oil for an instant showroom shine. If you're selling your car or going to a meet and you want that dripping wet look that you see in car commercials, baby oil is the trick. Apply a few drops to a microfiber and wipe down your engine bay plastics or your paint. It creates a high-gloss finish that reflects light like a mirror. It also acts as a dust magnet over time, so this is best for a quick show shine rather than a long-term solution, but for that instant wow factor, nothing beats it. Trick number 1, silicone spray for instant door seal restoration. This is the one thing people ignore until it costs them thousands. Your door seals keep the rain out and the quiet in. When they dry out and crack, you get wind noise, leaks, and eventually rust in your floorboards. A quick wipe with silicone spray once a year keeps that rubber soft and plump. It prevents the doors from freezing shut in the winter and ensures a perfect, airtight seal. If your car feels loud on the highway, this is usually the culprit. Take care of your seals and they'll take care of your car. How many of these did you actually know? Drop a comment below. Did I miss your favorite hack? If this video just saved you a trip to the detail shop, hit that subscribe button. I'm here to make sure you keep your money in your pocket while your car stays looking like $1,000,000. Your car will thank you. Now, check out this next video where I reveal the mechanical secrets your mechanic is praying you never find out.